And now I'm going to show you an example with decimals because your book does not do examples with decimals, but if you do take a class on campus, you will have problems with decimals. So I'm going to show you a trick with decimals. And the trick with decimals is to convert your numbers by multiplying by a power of 10. So for example, if I have 0.08x plus 0.09 times x plus 2,000 equals 690, and I look and I say, hey, I really want to move this decimal over. So how am I going to move this decimal over? Well, the first thing I did here is I actually ended up doing distributive properties, so I get that all distributed. Then I'm going to look and say, hey, I'm going to move this decimal, and I really would like to move it over 2 spots. But if I move that over 2 spots, that means I'm going to need to multiply it by 100 because 0.08 times 100 will give me 8. Okay? And I know that because I want to move it 2 spots, so I'm going to use the power of 10 will have 2 zeros in it. So I'm going to multiply by 100. But if I multiply the left-hand side of the equation by 100, I'm going to multiply everything by 100. Then that means I also need to multiply the right-hand side of the equation by 100. So that is how you would do a problem with decimals. Then I went ahead and I combined like terms, and then I subtracted 18,000 from both sides. That gave me 17x equals 51,000. My goal is to divide by x. To get x by itself, so I divide by 17, but if I divide the left-hand side by 17, I need to divide the right-hand side by 17, and that gave me my answer was x equals 3,000. I can check this by sticking it back into my original equation, and it will work.